Looking for a reliable, licensed attic and crawl space contractor in Los Angeles? The Attic Insulation Specialists Incorporated provides professional attic insulation, crawl space cleaning, mold remediation, and energy efficiency solutions designed to protect your home, health, and comfort. We proudly serve homeowners throughout Los Angeles County, Orange County, Ventura County, San Bernardino County, and Riverside County. Our team specializes in attic and crawl space services that improve indoor air quality, reduce energy loss, and protect your property from moisture, mold, pests, and structural damage. Why homeowners across Los Angeles choose the Attic Insulation Specialists? Fully licensed, bonded, and insured contractor. Direct RMO supervision. All projects follow California building codes. 10-year service warranty plus lifetime insulation warranty. Decades of combined experience. Over 1,500 five-star reviews. Trusted by nearly 28,900 households. Our commitment. At the Attic Insulation Specialists, our mission is simple. Improve energy efficiency, indoor air quality, and overall home comfort. Ready to upgrade your home in Los Angeles? Call us today to schedule your free inspection by a licensed contractor, or visit our website and take the first step toward a cleaner, healthier, and more energy-efficient home.